Now we have the best part, setting up all the zones. You click on set up zones, then click next. From the next you will see all 8 zones available on the controller. We are going to disable 7 and 8 first. All the way at the bottom you say tab to disable. I done 8 and 7, both have been disabled already. Now we are going to set up one zone first. Click next, then next again, and then you can rename whatever you want. According to my location, I will name backyard zone 1 like 1 and click on the next. You can also tap to the photo and take a photo, or you can have a photo before, choose from the album, but I will leave it like that. Then click on next. Now we're asking for what type of grass you have it. I have a cool season grass, so I will keep it that one. You can choose all from the bottom you have. If you have a flowers, vegetables, trees, whatever, you have to choose that one. Then we will click on the next. From here, what type of a sprinkler head you have? I have a rotary. If you have misters, emitters, drip line, you can choose accordingly. So I will choose a rotary and click on the next. And this here it shows what kind of a sand you have. I have loamy sand. I will keep it same. You can choose any kind of a sand in your garden. Click on next. Now you're asking for how much sunlight you have on your grass. I'm on a backyard. I have a full sun, so I will choose the lots of sun. Here is asking you what kind of a level your the land is. So mine is like flat, so I will keep it flat. How much area this zone? I have accordingly like approximately 500 square foot, so I will choose 500. It's already choose like 499. You can leave it same. Now click on next. Now how much moisture you are looking into, and you can read all the instructions. Depend on you can set up. I will leave it same as 50%. Now we will click confirm. That means zone number 1 is ready. Follow the same steps, set up all the zones. Now we have a set up all the zones already. That's the main screen. You can see 2 little dark at the bottom. Those are disabled. This is home screen on the app. On the top you can see forecast for like 5-6 days. It shows based on the rain or whatever schedule will work. At the bottom you see water uses. I have not used any water yet. So the most important thing is the schedule. I will show you in this video how to set up your schedule. Click on add schedule, then you will click on the next. Here you can choose what type of a schedule you want. On the top it says new grass, fixed is middle, the bottom is ET smart schedule. I will leave it fixed. I want to have my schedule every day at the same time. All I have like for my grass, so all going to be same. So I select all the zones, then I click on next. Now I am going to put the time, how long you want to run those sprinklers. Basically at this time I will leave all for 10 minutes. I have a new sprinklers. They are throwing same kind of water, same kind of pressure, so I will keep all for 10 minutes right now. If I need to change, I'll change later. I have a confirm, then I click on next. I'm on this page. Here we are going to just click next. Here is asking you what type of a cycle you want. No cycle and soak, manual cycle and soak. I will use smart cycle and soak, which when I will work with the raining and everything. Here, how much you want to skip when like how much rain is to skip, freeze skip and wind skip. So I will choose all, and freeze skip I will drop a little bit low like 42 degree, because 45 is mostly here 47, 46 at night. Mostly water will not run, so I put a 42, and I will also choose a wind skip. Then I will click on the next. Here is asking how you want to your water to run. Right now I will leave only odd days. Later I can do almost every day. Right now we're going to choose odd days, and here is asking you start date. If you want to choose a schedule today, so I choose today and never end. Now how you want your schedule to be start, so I put a end before sunrise, so it will be done before morning. And I'm going to put my schedule name. I'm just going to put like a Joho backyard, because I have a different controller for my front yard. Now we will click on confirm. You just rename and confirm. That means your schedule is done. You can add schedule for 2 or 3 zones different and rest of the zones different. That's the way you can set up all your schedule. Now let's move to the controller.